Hello, Mr. Thierry Millet. Here we meet again in Barcelona at Mobile World Congress. It's a very nice pleasure to see you here. What are your impressions about these Mobile World Congress editions?
Well, I think it's a very busy one. Maybe the announcement is not that spectacular this year, but I think there are several big trends which are going on. There is, of course, mobile money, NFC mobile payments, which is now my area of interest. But there is also cloud, LTE coming, and I think the industry is back in a very busy and intense work moment to invent the future. It's a transition, but it's an active transition, and I think now everybody is back thinking what will be the next wave of development for mobile. But for sure, this wave will come.
Even the logo of this edition is redefining mobility. How do you think the mobile industry is going to be redefined?
I think this is maybe more specific to my new field of interest. I have to talk about what I'm more specifically doing is that all the companies now, when they are non-telco, they need to develop mobile services. They need to have a mobile strategy. They need to have all the B2C one, mobile companion branded by them, downloaded, which are really monitoring your satisfaction, the delivery of your services, helping you, for travel, mobile travel companion, for store, your loyalty card, your couponing, your selection, your promotion. And I think this is a big stuff which is happening. So this is given reinforcing the use of mobile. Mobile was voice and SMS, and it went to data, but now it's becoming back the way. It's really becoming the companion of your life. It was physically, but now it is in terms of service, and there is a bit of excitement, a lot of excitement technologically and also in terms of service, to see how to contribute to that, and also how to take space in a new value chains which will be created around this trend.
Could you also give us some hints about your activity after Romania?
So I'm leading a strategic program which is called Mobile Payments and NFC. So I'm in charge of developing our activities in this field. We see that there is a lot of potentials. I have mainly two programs, but this is not, let's say, limitative of what I'm supposed to say. We have a mobile Orange Money, which is a mobile money program mainly developed in African countries, for which we have already 3.5 million customers as of today. Today we announced a partnership with Visat, into which we quote this number, and it's a full payment suite for unbanked people. And on Western Europe, we are very committed for NFC, so we are deploying this technology, partnering with banks, but also with other service providers, to develop services to the end consumer using the NFC technology and the implementation based on the secure element inside the SIM. So I'm very, let's say, active at, let's say, ensuring the success of these two initiatives, which are major. But I'm also thinking what else to do, because, as you know, an ecosystem is an ecosystem. A lot of things appear, and I will be interested also to see what we can do in Romania. This is not yet totally on my agenda, but this is to come. Well, my speech today is about NFC. It can happen now, and I'm really explaining that this statement has been made a repeated number of times. I'm even making jokes that, when we say it, we wonder if it's with a question mark or with an exclamation point. But I try to show that, let's say, we move from question to exclamation, but still in the same time that things can happen does not, let's say, mean that things will happen by themselves, that we still have a number of things to do to make it happen. And one of these things on which I'm especially emphasizing is that we keep it simple in the implementation, because this is not a given success, and also that we really partner with the service providers to maximize the value creation, and that we don't go into, silo approach or the traditional product definition, which sometimes, let's say, impose top-down strategy in terms of a real marketing intelligence to understand what will benefit the customer and what will create value in the years to come.